built 100 stores. Yours could be next. He's built over 100 Shopify stores for founders, dreamers, and side hustlers. And he's not done yet. If you're serious about launching your e-commerce business, Irfan might just be the shortcut you've been looking for. Meet Irfan, the lead Shopify strategist at 84 Digital. Based in the UK, Irfan has over 8 years of experience designing high-converting Shopify stores. He's not just a freelancer, he's a certified Shopify expert, trusted by Fiverr Pro for his exceptional skills in web development and e-commerce marketing. A direct link to his profile is below in the video description. With Irfan, you're not just getting a Shopify site, you're getting a premium, mobile-ready, SEO-optimized store, bespoke landing pages and branding, free domain, integrated social media, and even training videos to manage your store confidently. Irfan has built 100-plus Shopify stores on Fiverr alone. He blends stunning design with powerful e-commerce SEO strategies that actually drive traffic and sales. He's a one-stop solution for launching your online business, fast, friendly, and beginner-proof. His Fiverr Pro reviews speak for themselves. Clients rave about his professionalism, deep Shopify knowledge, and how smooth he makes the process. Most say the same thing. I wish I hired Irfan sooner. If you've been stuck wondering where to begin with Shopify, start here. Because Irfan's schedule fills up fast, and with the full service package he offers, this isn't just a store. It's your business, launched the right way. Click the link below to message Irfan on Fiverr Pro now. Your store is closer than you think.